right here. Ready?
Yeah, you treat your truck so well.
Yeah, so well. We are now working on the steering because my steering. Look right here. Ready?
Oh my god. Yeah, you treat your truck so well.
Yeah, so well. We ordered a new steering linkage from Quadratec, so we are going to put it in. This is a trick to get you to the steering shop with alignment. So basically what you do is you line up all the holes. So you take something, anything that you can have, and you line them up. See if those are lined up. And then this side isn't aligned normally or is off a little bit. You're gonna hold the end and you're gonna twist this in or out, and it'll slowly make everything come together. So see how this has got closer. So once you have gotten to your desired length, you are going to slide these metal collars under the metal tab to lock them down. It is on, at least my side is.
Listen, I gotta chase these threads, you jerk. Yeah.
There's no wobbling. Now that the tie rod assembly is done, there is one more thing you can do to improve your steering. So you're just going to take off the cover right here with some bolts on the side. It'll come off easy. And then you're going to take the brace off. It'll be two bolts here. If you flip it up, there's going to be your steering box. So you're going to loosen up the lock nut right here. And you're going to take an Allen wrench, and you can very gently turn it clockwise. So after adjusting your steering box, you get in your car, you drive. It has to be 1/8 adjustment. It has to be really tiny. You're gonna get in your car and drive. If the steering is stiff, you stop immediately, get out, and you put it back to where it was originally. Because if you don't do this and your wheel is too stuck, it will explode your steering box. So the steering is better than ever. Everything is moving perfectly. I wish I had made the changes a year ago.